Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday admitted that there is no infrastructure available for manpower for the newly created Community and Rural Development C&Rd blocks and Civil Subdivisions CSDs. However, the motto is to bring administration closer to the people. Talking to media at the sideline of a program in Shillong, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said there is a huge financial implication for the creation of the C&Rd blocks and civil subdivisions. Earlier, he also said the summoning of 4 Hinyotrep National Liberation Council leaders by the Special Court of the National Investigation Agency would not impact the peace talks with the banned outfit.
For the elections, so I don't know whether he would again term that also as an elections gimmick when he did it in 2013. So there will be financial implications. Blocks on an average may have a salary implication of about 2 crores, and subdivision also approximately same, plus minus depending on total number of manpower that we will ultimately put in there. So these are implications that are there. Of course, we will have to put up buildings at the end and infrastructures, which will be something that will be phased out in the long run and will not have an immediate impact on it. But obviously, we have to create the civil subdivisions and the buildings.
Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad Sangma has made